Okay, so what I want to go over is how we're going to move forward with billing. And this billing is really only going to apply to service jobs, not really SOV jobs, jobs that have schedule of values. That you'll still get that email notification for that, and we're going to bill those out the way we did before. This is more or less for non schedule values billing, mostly service billing, which we do a lot of, and it's hard to stay on top of, especially the bigger we get. So, with that being said, the way that works is for the PMs, every Friday we are going to review your projects, or you are going to review your own projects. Your view is going to look a little bit different than mine. Mine has filters for PMs. You're only going to be able to see the filters. You're only going to be able to see your active jobs. Okay, so what you're looking at right here is the current, this is project status cash. So there's two different types of accounting, both cash and accrual. Accrual is basically your profit after you include just your billing, not what you've received. Cash is what you've actually received. So you can see this is negative because it's been billed 12. It'd be negative anyways because our cost was 13, but let's see if there's one here. So these are all projects that need billing. There is a lot right here. Okay. So right here, right, this is showing negative on this one. But if it was accrual, since it's billed at 2064 and its cost is 1720, it would actually be a positive profit margin number. You may be able to see that. Forecasted margin would be only 7%, which is too low. But nonetheless. Okay, so the way works, right? I'm just gonna choose a project right here. Wow, so this one right here, we shelled out $6,000. We haven't gotten anything out for it. And we've got another. So what you're looking at right here is we've got a cost of 5,960, and we've got a committed cost of 4,480. So our cost for this is a good example. When our cost for this is going to be $10,000, right? And this is on the Rochester City School project. So basically what I'm going to do is this whole thing is going to be 20% of this. So I'm going to basically take our committed costs, our actual costs, which gives us our new forecast cost, $10,314.20. And I am $10,20, and I'm going to times it by 0.20, and I am going to add that to okay. And now I'm going to say this is what we need to bill out for this project. So with this, right, I'm going to choose this. So that's why it's good to see what your cost is and your committed cost. So if you click on this, it'll give you that full description. And then you're going to click send out bill. When you save this, it adds a task to accounting to bill this project out. Do you wish to proceed? You're going to go send out bill. I should just say yes, but this is, so right here, send out bill, amount to bill, 12,377.04. Okay, so as always, we're going to let this sink in the top right corner. You don't really need to, but it is, and then we're going to zip over to accounting. And now the accounting team is going to have this right here, which is called billing reports. And on the left-hand side of billing reports, they have not started, done, and all, right? All, you can see if it's done, it'll have this to unarchive it. You don't really want all, you just want not started. And you can, if you need to, you can use this search up here. If you know the project's number is 26038, you can filter it by that way to search the project up top in the search bar. But right now, this is all of the projects that we need bills for. I mean, I shouldn't say all of them, but at least the some that have been added to this list. And when accounting goes through, if they go to completed, mark bill as sent. completed, you're going to watch this number on the left hand side shift from not started to done. Done is now increased, but we're actually going to unarchive that, and you're going to see it jump back into that list. This is right here. It's essentially grouped by project manager who is sending this in. And when these are marked as build and it actually gets billed in QuickBooks, that will update to the other side of the app. And it updates, I think, every 5 to 10 minutes, pulling data from QuickBooks to show that something was invoiced, and it syncs it with the ongoing projects. Accounting, your job is just going to be to verify that all of this is accurate when it goes out, and just take a look at everything and make sure um, that the numbers don't seem too out of whack when we're getting bills out the door for this, at least until we've been had this system up and running for a little bit. But really, that's it, guys. This is how we are going to start doing billing moving forward. This gives a better idea of the overall health of the company, because then we know we have 60 grand in bills that have just been sent over that need to go out the door. So this will help me with cost forecasting on everything, and it will help keep the company's cash flow in a better situation.